Hey guys, it's been asked for me to go over the homework problems, which I'm not ready to do yet, but I do understand that these permutations and combinations can be a little confusing because this is not something that you've really done before. Some of you that have gone through Algebra 3, you've experienced permutations and combinations a little bit more than others, but not everyone in this class has taken Algebra 3. So let's break it down. So here's an example. I have 8 golf balls right here. 5 of them are blue, 3 of them are pink. Now if I said how many different ways can I just pick 5 golf balls from this box with no restrictions, that means I do not care about the colors. So of the 8 golf balls, I want to pick exactly 5. Now what that math would look like is of the 8 golf balls, I am picking 5. So 8 minus 5 factorial goes in the denominator times 5 factorial. So 8 minus 5 is 3, so I have 8 factorial over 3 factorial times 5 factorial. I wrote it out. And now here I notice that 5 factorial and 5 factorial cancel out, so I cross those out. And then I notice that 3 times 2 times 1 is 6, so 6 cancels out with 6. I'm left with 8 times 7, or 56. So there are 56 different ways that I can rearrange these golf balls and have a different combination of 5. Now what if I said that I want to be exact and I want exactly 3 blue golf balls and 2 pink? So to do that, I have to figure out how many different combinations of 3 blue golf balls exist and how many different combinations of 2 pink golf balls exist. And the fact that it's combined by an AND statement tells me that when I figure out this number of combinations and I figure out this number of combinations, I am going to multiply them together because I want the blue and the pink. So the way that math would look like would be, alright, so I have 5 blue golf balls. I want to pick 3 of them because I want exactly 3. And so 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial, that's 2 factorial, times 3 factorial will look like this. I cancel out the 3 times 2 times 1, so I'm left with 5 times 4 divided by 2, which would be 20 divided by 2, or 10. Now for the pink, I'm now picking from 3 golf balls, because I only have 3 pink, and I want to pick 2 of them. So 3 factorial over 3 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial looks like this. 2 times 1 cancels out, so I have 3. So there are 10 different ways that I can pick 3 blue golf balls, given that I have 5 to choose from, and there are 3 different ways that I can pick 2 pink golf balls, given that I only have 3 to choose from. So 10 times 3 is 30. So there's 30 different ways that I could pick 3 blue golf balls and 2 pink golf balls, given that I have 8 total. 5 and 3. Now the part that's confusing a lot of people. What if I said I want at least 3 blue golf balls? And I want a total of 5 still. So that means that I could have 3 and 2, or I could have 4 and 1, or I could have 5 and 0. So those are 3 different things that I'm willing to have because that's at least 3 blue golf balls. So again, I could have 3 and 2, or 4 and 1, or 5 and 0. So notice the emphasis I put on those words of and or, because we're going to be multiplying combinations and adding them together. So what that math would look like. So let's start off with how many ways I can pick at least 3 goofballs. 3 golf balls, given that I want 5 total. So the possible combinations would be 3 blue and 2 pink. We already did that math, that's 30. Or I could have 4 blue and 1 pink. The math is right here, where I would have 5, and this is the blue, that's the pink, and you can follow along. 5 times 3 is 15. Or I can have 5 blue and 0 pink. So I did the math out. It was redundant. If I have 5 blue golf balls, there's only one way I can pick 5 blue golf balls. So that was kind of an intuitive one, but you can see the math out down here. So now there are 30 different ways that this combination could happen. there are 15 different ways this could happen, or there's only one way that this could happen. So I'm fine with this, or this, or this. 30 plus 15 plus 1 is 46. So the question with the dance troupe is almost identical, except instead of blue golf balls and pink golf balls, we're talking about boys and girls. So try it out, see how you do. For those that are listening to this, I'm going to let you know that I'm giving you guys tomorrow off as well, just to kind of get people to have a chance to hand in their stuff. And I'm going to be getting Wi-Fi in the morning, woohoo, so I'll be able to do Zoom meetings and Hangouts a little bit easier, or do them at all because I haven't been doing them. And get Gradebook also established and up to date. I've been doing hard copies, so I know who's been handing in stuff, and I know there's a few people out there that are struggling to hand in things. Other of you have been perfect. So take a look at this video, see if you have any questions, and reach out to me. Good luck, guys.